hello. So in this video we will make tailwinds. We will make like and dislike system using laravel, ajax and tailwind css UI. So first we will install tailwind css. Click on get started button and use framework guidance and click on laravel. First we will create the project. I already created the project. Go to the my project directory and install this as a hyphen dependency. After installation that we will use npx tailwind init hyphen, so it will take a little bit time. After that I will make to configure this. So npm installed successfully. Now create a config.tailwind file tailwind and copy this code. Now copy this and go to the app.css file. Instead the app.css file is in, so we will copy this code in resources and css and app.css to do this line and pasted it to blade. So we will make a new directory and views folder, and layouts we will make app.blade.php file. So not pasted plus first we will make a HTML basic template and paste. Let give the name like here we will import the links like we will render the context here, so yield content. Now create view folder and a post we will make for layout. So first we will extend layouts.f and then use section. In section we will use content. Here we will display our content h1. Now let's create some out files. Out folder, and out folder we will make login dot blade dot second. This is code. Next what we do, we will generate some boiler template because we will use all the time. So for that we will use app.php. I render a bit app.blade. So write layouts dot and write section content perfect. Now what we do, now go to a tailwind component with this and search for register this one. Beautiful. So show the code and copy this, paste it here, formatted. After that create a controller php controller. Our controller name is out on this and run your project in a side by side php listen. Now create a one function index and login. Copy this code from here and use in a register. After that we will return view. Which one view? Out dot register. This view we will return and go to the web.php file and use here out controller. So for that we will use group controller route. Here we pass out controller class, also make a group and a group has a function this. Now we will render one by one route slash register and function name is index and route name is out that register perfect. Now go to 127 on localhost and check is this proper or not. If it is not defined, so we will use npm run dev pm dev. Now reload again, so it's working. Username, email, password and confirm. So now change the name of register as register and go to the login.php file and customize this one. This will be login, no need username, email, no need, and register login register. Now let's render this in out controller function name is login view and return type is return view out dot login. It will return this out dot login file. So go to web.php file and duplicate this login. Go to register.let.php file and change this one to button id equal to on click window dot location dot hyper reference. We will use route. In route we will pass route name user dot login and copy this. Then go to the login dot blade dot php file. Change to button. This will be, this one is a register. User dot login is not defined. Out dot login out dot register and star one control view. Perfect. This one login page login page and page. Now design the post UI. So for that we will use, also we will copy the content from the post component tailwind css component. So use a post, just write post. So it give some component they like this. So which one is better? This one. Show the code of this and copy the document. We will not use directly, we will use dev.containers auto this format document. Make a controller php or make controller at post on this one index. Where is the file? Post. Now go to web.php file, whole code and down, change the controller name, controller. Move this one, use slash index out. We will use user.save. Go to browser and test it. It is perfect, but it is come from the top. So change the background color, class, steel, 100. So that's good, awesome. And in post, in show post file, margin y as we will give 6. We will use and width full. This y use here width full also not effect. What's the wrong here? The down is full time. Leave it and comment the share button. In next video we will use the share button. Comment button leave. And now we will change this icon. Go to hero site. Click search bar like copy and here duplicate this both are changed. I think it is added by default. Now change cursor as pointer. Now let create a model. So first we will make a post model php and make post. In post model we will use table content long text content and second field is text title. So we will leave this for some time up when the user create post, then we will use integer likes dislikes comment. So we will do the comments 0 for all this and this. So now make some seeding factory the name and also change that use lv and like php sun. So first we will open the XAMPP. If server is not started, then it is not clear and migrate. Yes, migrate which table? Users table. So we created a factory and factory what I want title fake name sorry title and for content we will use intent. This is enough. Go to seeds and database seed uncomment one and 30 seeding unique value title has not unique again seeding is successfully. Now show the post. So go to the post and make a file or make a function show. So we will using ajax, so that's why I am using so dollar post created it ts and paginate not we not use paginate direct use get. Now we will return dollar html dot equal to view all post in a post folder we will create a show all. Here we render compact post or return json and json array data html create a show all new dot blade dot copy div hash all post show up here format. Let's create a js file and a public use post.js file. First we will use fetch show all post constant. It will be async await because fetch constant await fetch. How we will pass here json like that clg it's mean that dot data. Use this in a app script sr asset post js. Okay, perfect. Now inspect or not because we not defined the route file. So for that we will go to web.php file, duplicate this one. What is the name of the route? Post and paste it here. Use remove this and what is the file name? Show all function name. Sorry, talking file. See the content is low. Now show it here. That we will use jQuery or you will use also js document dot get element by id. What's the id name? The id name is show all. Paste it here and html dot inner html equal to cons dot data. Reload with the post arc. Now I told you we will remove this the username and the user image joined because if we do some post dynamic from the user, then we will use this one later. Okay, for now we will just focus on like and dislike system because here we will make comment system, reply comment system and create post, update, delete post. So all we do here using power javascript and ajax. Sometime for we will use ajax. So what we do next, so if someone click on the like button, so it will be increase 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 and be decrease. Okay, so for that we will do fermented. First we will make a loop on this each dollar post. Here we render the content or title. So first we will render has here is and dislike dollar like and dollar dis everything. Okay, title. So we need to use sentence. Okay, so we need sentence. Go to post factory and change sentence this world and variable we will use 10 volts. Okay, now again we artisan migrate fresh hyphen seed. Now reload again, seen proper. So let's do the like functionality. Then after that we dislike. So show all posts. This we will pass here data hyphen id hyphen post id. We will use dollar post id. After that, and past one id per selecting id. The id name is like. So first we will use document constant post and but it will throw the problem if it not get post id like post id, then it will throw the error. So that's why for that we will use jQuery. So first we will get jQuery cdn use this one copy and paste it. So let me do code for a js for the like pass forward, then I will explain you. So what I do I use $document someone click on the hash like post mean that if someone click on this button, so this will be trigger and I get the post id from this mean that like underscore post id has mean this target this and get the post. So I get make a response variable another await. So async await we will use fetch posts and dollar method body and body will pass post id from here we get. So I make here input from here csrf token give me the header conversation success if it is success, so show all the post. So for that go to post and make live functional passport. So first from that first we will make post sorry like and also my let's use string constant also. So what I do here create a now post id I get post id and get post it I will find this by post that give me. So then I will check if user like or not. If user like so it has I found one. So I default static data here like one user. Later we will do it post id I will get post id from this post and pass rpin. If the id is not found, so it will it will throw the error. If like exists, then dislike is equal to new dislike. I make the instance dislike model and save this insert, then I delete like model and I decrease the like and increase the dislike in a post. And same in the bottom like dislike user id and post id one pass and post id get from the post find or fail. If it exists, then it will give me or not, then it throw the error and I delete the dislike and I create a new data for the same here. So I will let's routes for that public because the for because the let we will continue we are not then select not give response the like is gone. If first time when I like don't use like first time and this perfect first go to R send the response then J success reload. Now if I click it goes to remove the and if I like so it I want to what I am doing. Let's see if I click this one plus if I click this, so I will increase this one and decrease this one apply 0. So let's do like to like this. So now if this has like we will create this. If not if exist if I be this set increase I don't want that to use. I click if like exist like so why we if like exist and dislike if like exists let's do new like. If I click new like if like exists then this is but if exists now like dislike. Okay, I again click on increasing. If like exists mean that now this increasing. So delete. So I am doing this. I make this one and this is same. Just what I do, I convert this to dislike and I delete the previous like. So let's try that. If I click here, so it increased. If I click here, so it decrease and this one increase. If I click again here, so it is 0. Again 1 0 1 0. How many time I click it's go 1 0. If I click here it's 1 this one. So the like and dislike system clear. So next video we will create comments. How the comments we will do it in a next. Okay.